Okay, so I'm going to be explaining problem number 3, which is a population growth and decay problem. So for A, it wants us to figure out if the population is increasing or decreasing. And we can figure that out by looking at our rate, which is right here. And we can see that since there's a negative right there, that the population will be decreasing since it's a negative rate. So for B, we're going to be using the equation that they gave us right here and plugging in the corresponding t, which is right here. So we know that t equals 0 for 2000, so that must mean that t equals 3 for 2003, which I wrote out right here. And then since the exponential decay is in the thousands, we'll be multiplying our answer by 1,000, which I did right here. And since 0 multiplied by this is just 0, and e by itself is 1, so that'll be 2,430 times 1,000 equals 2.43 million people in 2000. So that will be the population in 2000 in Pittsburgh. So we'll be doing the same for 2003, except t will now be 3 right here, which will make our answer 2,408.9507, and then we're going to be doing it again, timesing it by 1,000. So that would mean our population would be roughly about 2.4 million people. So then for C, we'll be using the same equation, but now it's reversed since we're trying to solve for t, since they already give us what would the population be when will the population be approximately 2.3 million? So basically we're doing the same thing except some steps are going to be reversed. So we're going to start off with the P now being 2.3 million and our T is unknown. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in 2.3 million divided by 1,000 since it's now reversed, which will make it 2,300. So we're going to put that in our equation here. And we're going to want to isolate this right here. So we're going to divide 2,430 by both sides, which then we will set those both to natural log. And then once again, we want to isolate our variable. So we want to isolate t. So we're going to divide negative 0.0029 from both sides, which will roughly, if you plug it into your calculator, will be about 18.9 years. So that means the population will be roughly about 2.3 million in 2018.